Today, we're unboxing the HP EliteBook X Flip G1i convertible laptop. This premium device is designed for professionals who need flexibility, security, and powerful performance in a sleek package. It's powered by Intel Core Ultra 7 processor that comes with Intel's NPU, optimized for AI workloads. Inside the box, we find the EliteBook X Flip itself, along with essential accessories, the power adapter, HP pen stylus, quick start guides, and warranty information. The packaging is minimal and professional, reflecting HP's business-oriented focus. The EliteBook X Flip G1i is crafted from aluminum, giving it both durability and a premium feel. It features a 14-inch Full HD touch display, and thanks to the 360-degree hinge, it can be used in laptop, tent, stand, or tablet mode. This laptop can run for over 24 hours on a single charge. That's one of the longest battery lives you'll find in any laptop right now. Perfect if you travel a lot or work all day without being near a charger. The EliteBook X Flip is built strong. It passes military-grade durability tests, so it can handle bumps, drops, dust, heat, and even a little spill on the keyboard. Basically, it's made to last through real, everyday use. Now let's see what ports it has. On the left side, we have one HDMI, two USB Type-C with Thunderbolt 4, and a combo audio jack. And on the right side, one optional nano SIM card slot, one USB Type-C, and one USB Type-A. This wide selection of ports makes it versatile for business and everyday use. The laptop also includes a 5-megapixel camera with camera shutter and fingerprint reader for added security, poly speakers for better audio. It supports active pen input, making it ideal for note-taking and creative work. The HP EliteBook X Flip G1i is a premium and quite expensive model, but in return, it delivers a slim, lightweight, flexible, and secure 2-in-1 laptop built for professionals on the go. Want me to dive deeper into display quality, security features, or performance? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos. Thank you for watching.